Hi guys, this is Shari Brown. Welcome to my bathroom. I'm going to do a 5-minute eye tutorial. I already have on my glorious face and eye primer all over my face and my eyes. And now I'm going to use 3 colors today. I'm going to use Sexy, which is the light sparkle. I'm going to use Vulnerable, which is like a really nice pink, and then Beautiful, which is a great brown. So first thing I do, I take each of my little pots. I turn them upside down with the lid on, Turn them upside down and tap them so that I get a little bit of shadow here in the top. I'm going to put, okay, that wasn't enough. Should have tapped it harder. Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit of Sexy. It's very different doing this into a computer. Okay. Alrighty. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Vulnerable. I'm going to do that in the inside. Okay, sorry, I got to look away for a second. I'm going to do that in the inside crease. That. And then I take my crease brush and I put that in the lid. And I do a little bit of that in the outer corner. Now if you notice, I don't close my eyes when I do my eyeshadow, okay? Because if I close my eyes, I get this, right? And then you get all these weird lines and spaces that are missing. Open your eyes and look down your nose like this. Okay, and I'm just adding a little bit at a time. I'm adding a little more Vulnerable right now. Feeling a little more vulnerable. And then I'll add a little more Beautiful, because I'm feeling a little more beautiful. Crease, crease. Now this is my everyday eye that I do. If I'm feeling festive, going out at night, I will take a little bit of, I love Precocious because it's like a navy blue. I'll use a little bit of that in the outer corner, and then I'll use a little bit as liner. Did you know that navy blue liner will actually make the whites of your eyes whiter? Learned that from a photographer friend. Okay, again, Sexy, and we know it. Little Vulnerable, when we're sexy. I like to make up stories. Okay, and then a little bit of Beautiful. Okay, crease, crease. I'm putting it in the crease, but I also just kind of went all over just to kind of blend it. And then make sure I'm even. I think I might need a little bit more Vulnerable here. Okay, so not only is this hard to do in a computer, but it's opposite. So I'm kind of freaking myself out. Okay, and then now I'm going to take my, which one is this? My shader brush, right here. A little more Sexy. You know what I love? Because some days I don't feel like being quite so sparkly as Sexy. I'm going to put a little bit of Sexy right up here, but then I'll put a little bit up here. But then I take just a little bit of Vulnerable. Not a lot, because I don't want to cover up the sparkle. I'm going to put that right on top. Voila. See? Easy peasy. Now, I've got my rose water. Have you tried rose water yet? See, it's opposite. Go this way. Okay. If you haven't tried it yet, you must. Take a little bit of rose water. I'm going to spritz it in my lid. Take the best liner brush in the world. I'll be honest with you. I did makeovers for almost 12 years. This brush scared me when I started with Younique because I was a pencil liner girl, or liquid liner, you know, the kind that looks like a pen. So this was actually a little bit scary for me. So I'm taking a little bit of my Beautiful shadow there, and I put it in the cap, tap it around, mix it with my rose water, and I just dab it on the tissue. And then, here's why this is fantastic. I don't have to draw a line. Okay, I'm gonna do this with the computer. Maybe I'm not, wait a minute. Okay, I just go, doot. I'm just stamping. I'm not even drawing a line. I just stamped it, and stamp it on top too. Can I do that in the computer? You think I can? Am I hearing you cheering me on out there in computer land? Have you noticed that I can just talk to myself all day long and I'm fine with it? Yes, yes I can. Okay, so now, do, 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 right on top. It may look like I'm drawing a line, I'm really not. I'm just going right on the top of my lash line with this fabulous brush. See? Can you see? I don't know if you can see. Because I didn't want to do a really dark one today. But you could do dark if you want. What's really fun is to do a soft eye and then do your liner with a pop of color. So do like that really bright green, or do a sparkly green or turquoise. Really fun. That's a fun eye. So anyway, that is our makeup tutorial for today. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for tuning in.